Hey, good morning, everybody. This is my midweek check-in. Sometimes I'll just send you a little text or an email. I thought I'd kind of start off hopefully more personally this morning. I hope things are doing well for you. Just thought I'd check in with you. This is the first week, and I don't want you guys to get behind or anything. So remember, we've got our first discussion post that's due tomorrow night to make sure it's done on a timely manner. And it's mainly in production, so they're pretty easy to do. I have a couple of students have submitted things so far, but I'd really like to see some more. Need to have something to do, so I hope you'll submit something soon. The two activities we have this week, I think there are just two, are all about communicating your experimental results that you'll need to do the rest of the labs. If there's any questions about any of those, just let me know. I'm happy to help you as much as I can. You guys just stay warm and stay dry. It's a little bit wet here this morning in Texas, and so I'm not really encouraging myself to get outside and do anything. So anyway, you take care. Again, if you need any help with anything, just let me know. Happy to help you. Bye-bye.